Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let's start your reading. So, ang reading natin for today is past, present, and future. This is for you, Water Sign. Sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, yung Tarot Reader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And if you want, pwede ka rin mag-follow sa akin sa TikTok. Ma-appreciate ko yung mga follow ninyo, likes ninyo, and yung comments ninyo. Kahit po heart-heart lang, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapasalamat na po ako doon. So, pwede din ninyo akong i-subscribe din dito kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe. At click ng notification bell para ma-update ka sa tuwing may bagong uploads. Okay, let's start your reading. This is for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, simulan na natin sa iyong past. So, kukunin ko lang yung mga cards na kailangan ko. You do have your Gossip, Grip, and one more card. Negotiator. Okay, and then kunin ko na rin yung present and future cards. You do have your synchronicities and on the table. Ascension. And the last card or the last row is the future. You do have your commitment, tragedy, and one more card, escapade. And you do have your divine masculine and dawn at the bottom of the deck. Okay. So, in the past, nakikita natin na merong mga tao sa buhay mo, maybe friends, family, or maybe even pagdating sa love, na pwedeng pinipilit mo yung sarili mo na maging belong. You know, pinipilit mo ang sarili mo na patunayan sa kanila na kaya mo. And with regards to love, I feel like either ikaw ito na hinabol or ikaw itong naghabol. That there's this energy ng paghahabol. But definitely, in the past, nakita naman natin that you are happy, that you are surrounded with friends. Talaga. Pero it's just like gusto mong patunayan sa sarili mo na kaya mo, na may igagaling ka pa, na may, you know, and maybe with your family. Maganda yung connection or communication ninyo. Kasi nakikita natin, actually, itong mga tao sa buhay mo in the past, sila yung nakatulong sa'yo in order for you to grow, no? Personally. Pati sa maybe even physically, no? Maybe in the past, you look so beautiful, no? Dahil mas natututunan mong mahalin ang sarili mo because of them, through them. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng tinuruan kang mag-skincare, ng mga kaibigan mo na yan. Tinuruan kang mag-makeup, yung iba. Yung iba naman, maybe more on fit, sa fit mo, no? Maybe they told you to eat healthy foods, and or, kung hindi man nila sinabi sa yun, mas nainganyo ka because through them, nakita mo kung ano yung benefit sa kanila, and then, you know, I feel like, medyo naging maganda yung, past mo. Except sa pagdating sa love, dahil nakakita nga tayo dito ng mga pagiging obsessed kind of energy, and either this is you or the person that is connected with you, pwedeng siya yung na-obsess sa'yo. Okay? Na feeling niya kailangan kanya, etc. And or, maybe you feel like kailangan mo tong person na to. But, in the present moment, nakikita natin, there are a lot of signs kung ano yung dapat mo maging choice sa buhay mo ngayon. If you don't know yet, maybe kailangan mong mag-focus sa mga signs na yun. Maybe there are dreams, okay? Or maybe people na pwedeng laging pinapakita sa iyo yung pangalan nitong taong to. Maybe it's time for you to talk to this person. It's time for you na makipag-connect sa taong ito. You do have your ascension, and maybe some of you nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening. On the table, this is like some kind of pakikipag-usap, or, you know, I can see a pakikipag-usap na very, you know, special. It's not just pag-uusap na wala lang. So, in the present moment, nakakita tayo ng either ikaw ito na kailangan mong kausapin itong taong ito to ask for something, no? Either ikaw ito mag-offer, or ikaw ang humingi sa kanya or humiling sa kanya, no? Especially there's these synchronicities. May mga sign nga na ipinapakita sa'yo, maybe through angel numbers, maybe through, yun nga, yung mga, maybe dreams, or it's like a path na dinadala ka dito sa taong ito. Okay, I feel like there's a person right now in your life na makakatulong para magkaroon ka ng improvement. Not only spiritually, pero bagko sa growth mo mismo. Maybe yung iba pa nga, financially. Okay? It's not that kind of thing wherein you will beg, or kasi yung iba mataas ang ego. Sasabihin nila, nako, ayokong kausapin tong taong to. Kasi, ganito, ganyan. It is just you na medyo mataas kasi ang ego mo talaga. No? Nagpapakamatapang ka dito, or ikaw itong parang feeling mo, ayaw mong ibaba ang sarili mo for this person. Maybe it has something to do with friends, or boss, ganyan, na might be kailangan mo kausapin para sa iba sa inyo. Like what I've told you, no, kasi iba-iba yung situation. Pwedeng yung iba regarding sa love, maybe yung iba regarding sa career or whatever. But in the future, there's this long term. You do have your long term commitment na nakikita natin dito. This is something very beautiful. This is something na might be mag-work out para sa'yo. So, if this has something to do with the person na laging ipinapakita sa'yo, may mga sign na you need to talk to this person, especially kung may kinalaman sa love, this could lead into a long-term commitment or relationship. So, and maybe even marriage para sa iba. So, maybe ito na yung time that you have to do that, no? Wag ka nang magpakipot, or wag mo nang taasan ng ego mo. So, especially if this person is someone na pwedeng either ikaw yung naging mas better as a person dahil sa kanya, or if you have inspired this person na maging better sa sarili niya. Kumbaga, tinry niya maging mas maayos as a person, tinry niya ma-accomplish yung mga bagay na dapat niya ma-accomplish para mapansin mo. You know, in a way, naging inspiration ka nitong taong to. And that means there's a continuous growth. Not only sa connection or sa relationship ninyo, but with regard sa person na yon, as an individual, as a person. You know, magko-continue siya na mag-grow as long na nandyan ka. So maybe, and that would also benefit you. Yung growth nitong person na to would also benefit you. No? In a way, pwedeng some kind of protection, diba? Or, kung ito ay something to do with money, na parang siya ay mas dumadami ang kanyang sources of income, or etc., pwedeng sa long-term commitment ninyo, pwedeng yung mga bagay na hinihiling mo in the past, or mga gusto mong mangyari or ma-accomplish in the past, makamit mo through this person. Okay? So, hindi ko naman sinabing gagamitin ka niya or gagamitin mo siya, pero nakikita natin yung relationship or yung partnership na magiging healthy in the future for you. If, you know, this future is the possible outcome. Always remember, guys, na yung dito sa tarot readings, the past, present, and future, the past is para malaman mo kung itong connection na ito or itong reading na ito is for you. Okay? I always get the main energy para paalam mo kung nakaka-relate ka. Ngayon, yung present moment, this is what is your situation right now. And yun yung mas strengthen pa or makakapagpatunay na itong reading ay para sa'yo. But yung future is actually depends on you. Depends on kung paano mo i-handle yung present moment mo. And this is the future na nakikita natin sa'yo according sa ginagawa mo or kung ito ang gagawain mo sa present mo. The way I see this, sabi ko nga, if you would talk to this person, this particular person na possible na magkaroon ng commitment sa inyo, as you can see, there's this offer, proposal, commitment, and I can see, there's this glass here. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, itong parang pinakakutsara dito, kung nakikita mo, yan, nakikita mo naman sa baraha, may parang mga, siya, malulutong na something, and sa ASMR ko lang nakikita yung ganitong kind of kutsara, or ganitong kind of crystallized na bagay. It's like, yung sa ASMR na kumakain ng mga candies, etc. So anyway, what do I mean by that? This present moment, kailangan mong makinig. Like what I've told you, ASMR, yan. And when you watch ASMR, ang gusto mo is not only to watch but to listen. Kasi may parang satisfying na tunog kang maririnig doon. And this is the energy na kung just in case makikipag-usap ka dito sa mga taong itinuturo papunta sa'yo, may mga sign na kailangan kausapin mo itong taong to. This would lead into something na magugustuhan mo. This will satisfy you. Okay? Not only physically, but also spiritually. Now, in the future, you do have here forbidden love and escapade. Now, etong forbidden love, I would like to clarify this. What's with the forbidden love? Divine Masculine, done, completion, and lesson learned. Okay, with regards to person or people, other people in your life, na pag sinabi nating forbidden love, it's like mga taong dapat alisin mo na sa buhay mo. So, dahil there's a possibility na itong taong ito, not only pagdating sa love, but maybe pagdating sa iyong path, sa iyong career. Sabi ko nga depende sa sign na nagpapakita sa'yo. So, you need to focus on signs dahil hindi ako makakapagsabi niyan. Okay? So, kung ano itong mga signs or sino itong mga signs na ipinapakita sa'yo and kung gagawin mo ng action yan, of course, there's a beautiful commitment and future for you. Pero of course, kailangan din, this is some sort of advice na kung ano yung mga hindi healthy for you, relationship, connections, maybe friends that are toxic, you need to end that. And lalo na kung itong situation na ito, or maybe kung ito ay hindi person, maybe this is a career that you need to end dahil hindi mo nagugustuhan kung ano man yung situation mo, nagkakos sa'yo ng stress, nagkakos sa'yo na mag-isip ka ng hindi maganda, nagkakos sa'yo na ikaw ay hindi maging masaya. Maybe it's time for you to completely end whatever this is. If you are in a relationship, in another relationship which is very toxic, in the future, there's a possibility na pwedeng i-end or mag-end na rin yon. Okay? Whether may kinalaman sa friends or maybe relationship. And you do have your escapade. So, in the future, escapade is about vacation. This is something na masaya for you. This is something na magiging maganda for you dahil mawawala yung mga stress mo, no? And the way I see this, maybe in the future, marami ang makakapansin sa pagbabago mo. You do have your insatiable and it's like you will become more better in the future, no? lalo na nga sa tulong nitong mga taong dapat kausapin mo ngayon. Okay? And if you want this, itong future na magiging maganda, of course, you have to do what I say. You have to, if you feel like this is the guidance for you, nag-guide kita, naiintindihan mo yung mga sinasabi ko, nakaka-relate ka. And then, this is the possible outcome for you. Kasi I can see ice in here, and when it comes to water, mas better talaga yun may ice eh. I don't know about you guys, sabihin ng iba, hindi, mas gusto ko ang tubig na walang yellow. But, according to me, I'm the guidance here. This is how I say it. Mas better ang tubig kung may yellow. Okay? And what do I mean by that? I mean, mas masarap mabuhay kung gusto mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo, kung healthy, etong situation mo, and kung aalisan mo yung mga hindi na okay para sa'yo. Okay? And so, yeah, a promising future for you. Good luck. Take care always. And hopefully, comment ka dyan sa baba. Kahit heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. And thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.